Hi everybody and welcome to this video. I am so thrilled to be showing you guys this kit and a happy new year. Happy 2025. Let's make it such a good year. So every month me, Elena, and my mom, Anna, design a printable / digital kit and then we release it to you guys, and this is the video to show you that January kit. It is called Blue French Toile. Yes, it is pronounced toile. I did a lot of research on it. And I'm going to show you guys what we have carefully designed for you this month. And as always, if you want this specific kit, you can become a subscriber and sign up to get the new one on the first of every month at www.pinkmonarchprints.com, or you can just purchase it at Etsy, and we are just Pink Monarch Prints. So there you go. This is Blue French Toile. I've always found it difficult to find a good blue digital scrapbook junk journal kit. I seriously could not find one I liked, and so I made one and I absolutely love it. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you the journal I have made and some of the other things that you could possibly make as well. First thing I want to show you in this kit is the actual scrapbook pages. There are 20 of them, I believe, lots of neutrals, lots of fun colors as well. Alright, let's get some close-ups. And when I say toile, this is the type of pattern that is called toile, that blue and white bird. So we have some basic papers, which I end up using more often than anything else, even though I love the fun, beautiful papers. So I'm just showing you guys some of this. This is a favorite of mine. Lots of fun, classic colors. Got a checkered in there. Lots of floral elements with tons of different shades of blue. There's another toile one. You guys have probably seen these patterns, and that is what they're called. They're a lot of fun. That's another one of my favorites. And some roses, more flowers, numbers, light blue, dark blue, medium blue. That's my all-time favorite in the kit. I love that paper. And that kind of sums up all we got for papers. The next thing I'm going to show you guys are the pockets in this kit. We have a fun variety. Just some super simple classic ones, some slanted ones. There's actually journal cards on that exact page. Just because we like to fill the space, there's going to be like some extra stuff on some of the pages. And next up we have the mini project. So take a look. Here's the mini project. Again, I'll show you guys this at the end of the video. I have actually finished the mini project, so I'll show you a little video of it in action. Here are some of the pages in the kit. And again, just super fun and easy, and we just like to include them. Next up are these fussy cuts and more. This is my favorite section to ever talk about in any of the kits. I just love seeing all the little tidbits, and kind of like the layering pieces are sometimes what I'll call them. But here are some classic toile fussy cuts, and then some more kind of vintage image fussy cuts, and then my favorite of the kit, these pre-made collages. They make journaling so easy. Now we have tags and more, just because I didn't know how to classify everything, but these are the specimen cards. Super fun to add as journal toppers. Some more layering kind of cards. I love those ones. They're actually great for journaling. File folders, always a good thing to have in any kit. Some tags with just more unique shapes. These are the ones I always tend to lean towards using when I'm making my journals. And these ones are also super beautiful. Next category is envelopes and ephemera. They don't necessarily have to go together, but they can if you want. I love the envelope variety. It just mixes it up, has some fun different things, and then we also have a really large one as well. Here's the ephemera in this kit. Ephemera is so great if you want to add like a vintage touch. You can use ephemera as pockets or tags or whatever. A quick little thing to tell you guys is if you're thinking that our double pages with our journal cover look similar to our mini project, they are fairly similar and both will make kind of their own separate journals. But I want to say that we did throw in extra pages into this kit. That's why the kit has 57 pages instead of the normal 45 to 50 pages, because we just wanted to make sure that you guys were still getting your money's worth and had lots of options to play with. So, and there's the journal cover. Finally, we have just some extras. I didn't really know how to categorize these, but they're still super fun. These journal cards are just to die for. I love them so much. Then some more kind of like ephemera tags and collage cards. You guys love the collage cards. And then finally, some journal cards. So great to use as tags or writing space or whatever. Okay, and we made it to the end, so I'm going to show you guys what I've been busy crafting with the January kit. This thing I'm going to show you first is the gold project. So you can become a premium subscriber, or for a little bit more, you can become a gold subscriber, and we just have like an extra project for you guys to do. I love this one, you guys. It is so cute, so much fun. Like, here's a little bit of a close-up. Oh, this was a good one. I really enjoyed this one. You can also get that separate on Etsy if you only wanted the gold project. And then here is the mini project, which I actually kind of double used as my journal for the month, just because I'm super busy creating for you guys. So I kind of just did all in one. It's super cute. The binding is adorable. There's a tutorial for this and the other gold project as well, and a lot of the things I'm adding into the journal. The cool thing about this journal is, as I flip it, you'll be able to see each page is kind of a folder. So it's like a folio journal. It's a little bit more than just a normal journal. But the pockets are super fun. I can't wait to think of something fun to add into there. And the pages have turned out cute. And yeah, so that's kind of what I've been up to so far with January. And I hope that you guys get a chance to try out some of the tutorials, whether or not you're using the January kit. But if you do want the kit, then please go to one of these two places. You can find us on Etsy at Pink Monarch Prints, or you can become a monthly Kit Club member and subscribe at www.pinkmonarchprints.com. Thank you guys so much for the support and for watching this video. You guys are the best. If you want a little coupon code, use the code MONARCH3 if you want to become a subscriber for $3 off your first month. Thank you guys, and we'll see you next time.